why the word plastic surgery when you're conducting a surgery on a human body? I mean, how the word originated. I mean, I just out of curiosity, I just want to know.
So if you look at other specialties like neurosurgery, you know immediately understand it's related to nerves.
What is the function of it?
Yes,
Yeah, literally.
Urosurgery related to urogenital system, urinary system, gastrosurgery, stomach. But plastic surgery as such is not one system. And the name is derived from a Greek term called plastikos,
Oh.
which means molding. So the plastic which we know of comes from the same word.
Wow.
Because it can be molded into different things, and
Okay.
you know we know it as mugs and buckets and everything.
Correct.
So plastikos comes from the word molding, and that's how, because our main work is tissue molding, whether it be a child getting plastic surgery for their congenital anomaly, or is it an adult for body contouring or reconstructive surgery. It's molding. Yeah.
You know, we feel that the word plastic surgery, I mean, often we feel that we know a lot about it.
Yes.
And maybe it's almost because it keeps bouncing on our ears one on the other day. But when I deep down into my mind and I try to dig, okay, what's the real meaning of it? I'm not able to get the real meaning of the word plastic surgery, or maybe I don't have enough information because most of my information is collected maybe from some movies which I have seen in the past, which maybe someone would be attacked with acid, or maybe someone would have been hurt or would have been injured, and then the correction of the face or some body part is considered as plastic surgery. Does it have a deeper meaning to it? Or I mean, because when I now read today, I mean, I figured out there are two different major parts, like literally when it came to constructive body, and then reconstructing the body, and the second part is about the cosmetic surgeries.
Yes. So definitely way beyond what we see on social media or what is shown in movies. Plastic surgery as a specialty really grew at the time of the World War, especially World War II. And there were hordes of soldiers who got injuries during wartime, and they were just dumped into the hospital. So the primary job of the surgeon in these hospitals would be to reconstruct and rehabilitate these people. And there were facial injuries
because of loss of legs, loss of hands, or because of
fingers, limbs,
loss of their body parts. So your job was to reconstruct.
Absolutely. And gradually the science of plastic surgery started. Although if you see historically, the oldest plastic surgery documented is nowhere else but India. It was Sushruta in almost 600 BC who came up with so many procedures, and it's in his book known as Sushrut Samhita. And there have been procedures described for ear reconstruction, nose reconstruction, which is one of the most famous plastic surgery procedure described by Indians, and it's still called the Indian way of Indian procedure for nose reconstruction. So gradually it started becoming popular in Russia, in America, in Europe, and everywhere people started reconstructing body parts. But there was a parallel science which started developing, which was cosmetic. And in Europe and in
because even
Africa,
if you would have fixed it, aesthetically it was not looking correct.
Yes.
And that's why they said, okay, let me get it cosmetically corrected now.
Yes. But also...
And that's why you have a very unique role,
Yeah.
You first construct or reconstruct the body part.
Yes.
And then now you cosmetically heal it.
Correct.
And then say that this is back to original.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not in any other medical profession.
Even for normal people, normally people are just, doing well with their health. They would sometimes think of doing a procedure just for vanity.
Correct.
But, vanity would not be the right word to put it now, because let's say rhinoplasty or hair transplant or something which is so basic and for your day-to-day life that I would not call it vanity, because it might affect your job, it might affect your relationship with your spouse, or social relationship, or at work, it might just help you with your job.